5:38 a.m., about 5 minutes before sunrise, and I've got about an hour before I have to check into the office to start my workday. So we're gonna see how many waves I can catch in about 60 minutes. Hopefully it's at least 3. Here we go. I have not been here when the tide's been this low. You can see the rocky reef poking out of the water there, right where those 2 people are. Looks like we'll still have some decent waves. I just gotta get in there. Clock is ticking. Right here's that rocky bottom. I've never seen it this shallow before. I have to start paddling pretty soon here. There's not enough water for me. Some big crevices in here I don't want to roll an ankle on. It's also quite slippery. See that big crack there? Anchor Roll City, and I'm the mayor. You can tell it's super shallow to my left there. I can't really see the rocks straight in front of me, so we're just gonna rely on hope. That usually works out, right? Every once in a while I smack a rock with my hand. It's the nature of going out when the tide is the lowest it ever will be. It's too shallow to duck dive or turtle roll too, so definitely a suboptimal situation. Ah, crap. I tried. It was already white. I'm counting it though. So close. That's time. I wish I had longer. I could have caught a few more. Kind of died down towards the end there. But better than nothing. I'm happy I went. I'm not sure how many that was at the end of the day. 5, 6? I don't know. But it's more than I would have had if I kept sleeping and didn't head out this morning, so that's a win.